Today we will be talking about Indian cuisine.
Overview content: 1 is serving culture, 2 eating manners, 3 popular dishes, 4 common ingredients, and 5 conclusion. So now we will be talking about the introduction. Indian food is known for its rich spices, flavor, and diversity with over 1,000 different dishes. Indian cuisine is the country with rich cultural heritage. It is a cuisine that has been shaped by long and complex history and is significantly influenced by the country's various regions and their different food cultures. This is a time frame through history and culture. Now we will be talking about the history and culture of Indian cuisine. They reflect a rich tapestry of history and culture, influenced by events like Mughal Empire, spice trade, and British colonialism. This influence has shaped the diverse and flavorful nature of Indian cuisine. Now we will be talking about the 3 Indian dishes that I have picked. The first one is the Paneer Tikka, the second is the Palak Paneer, and the third one is Kheer. These are the main course, the appetizer, and as well as the dessert. So the main course I had picked is the Palak Paneer. It is a classic North Indian dish rich in cream. Ingredients include spinach, paneer, onions, tomatoes, and spices. It can be served with a naan or rice, and it's comforting and delightful. The next thing I picked is a dessert, which is kheer. It is a beloved dessert that has been enjoyed for centuries, made with basmati rice, milk, sugar, and garnished with nuts and saffron. It can be served warm or chill. It's a perfect sweet ending to a meal. These are my top pick for common ingredients: the cartinan, the fenugreek, mustard seeds, asafoetida, and the curly leaves. For the conclusion, Indian cuisine celebrates diversity, tradition, and hospitality through its myriad in flavor and dishes. Let's continue to explore and see the riches of Indian cuisine together. And that concludes my presentation. Thank you and God bless us all.